Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you how to edit your photo or your picture on a Capcut to look like they are shaking. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Capcut application and go click this plus button to start the new project, and make sure that you are visit your photo section to access all of the photo library on your phone. And now you just need to choose which photo that you want to edit. So for me, I will like to edit this photo and just go click add. And now to edit this photo to have a shakes effect, you just need to jump into the effect sections and go click this photo effects. In this photo effects, you just need to like slide this into the left side until you found the shakes effect. You're closer, now you're here. You can see that there will be like 3 type of shakes, even like 4 here that you can use. So you can just choose one of them. You can go with the camera bounced and wait until all is applied, or you can also do with the camera shakes. And you're done by click this checklist button. So that's the way how to edit your photo to have like a shakes movement by Capcut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.